Hey everyone, we're doing home inspection here and some items on the roof I want to go over. Let's take a look. So we're noting, you see this tree, there's a lot of clearance here, but there's already some damage already done. So at some point, lack of maintenance and keeping the trees trimmed. This is why we always suggest the trees be trimmed back from the roof, because they cause damage in several areas of this roof here. And then we got some other things on the other side I gotta show you. So from the ground, the roof doesn't look in super bad condition. However, we're going to note that it's in its last period. We already have wear. The shingle here, you can see it's kind of deteriorated. You can see the granule, the discoloration in the black. Basically, the granules coming loose. And we have several areas where we can just lift up the shingles. Well, not there, but you can see the advanced weathering here of the roof. And again, some more shingles in various areas that are just loose. So high winds, especially out here in Arizona, we have monsoon storms. This is going to pick those up. So we need to have a roofer come out and evaluate further, make any repairs that might be needed, or if they suggest a new roof. So that's just one of the reasons why you want to get a home inspection. Call us First Class Home Inspections, 623-680-0707. I'm Nick, your trusted home inspector. We'll talk to you next time.